Hello guys, hi, this is Urvashi Rautela and keep watching Viral Bollywood.
उर्वशी दिस वंस फॉर यू. डांस करना इसमें और साथ ही डांस के साथ एक्शन करना, वो कितना अलग था और क्या था?
Okay, first of all, I'd like to thank you so much to all the members of media and all the dignitaries present on here. I have to convey my regards to
Please.
certain people. I'd like to thank first and foremost my director, Sam Ahmed, because I think it's his entire, like the whole idea. Well, we all have a reference picture in mind, and this single had a script, a sort of like, a character, and he had this Angelina Jolie, Lara Croft in his mind, and I had my own reference picture on my mind, which was of a completely a real badass girl, a girl who's very uncompromising and a very rough, tough girl. So I had a fun. Most of all, I've been dancing since the age of 3, doing Bharatanatyam, Kathak, but this was my very first attempt when it comes to sword fighting, and I completely enjoyed it with this hunk, with the Jambal. I feel I couldn't, I wouldn't have. I think he's the best co-star, and it's been so enriching experience to work with him. He's just so brilliant and super hardworking. He's been very supportive, and I think people are loving the pair, and people are loving him, whatever he's done. So I think when the entire team is superb and great, even the result comes out to be great. Also, Sukhbir, we all have been very big fan of you. So, and it's a privilege that you especially came down from Kenya to shoot with us. And you're a fabulous dancer. Without any rehearsals, he was able to do those moves. I think that was really crazy. So thank you so very much for being part of our music album. Apart from that, I love you, Meet Bros. You are amazing. Harmeet and Manmeet. I think they have just added the charm in the entire video. Kumarji, thank you so much for being there. And Paresh, if you wouldn't have been there, I don't think so we would have managed to look so stylish, high on style, and whatever you're seeing us doing, like in terms of dancing, it's all Paresh. So Paresh, thank you so very much. Sam, again, thank you so very much. And last but not the least, I would like to thank T-Series family, Divya ma'am, Bhushan sir. I believe they're not here, but I'll always be thankful and very grateful to both of them. Thank you.
Thank you so much. ऐसा लग रहा है बोलते जाओ हम देख रहे हैं, अच्छा लग रहा है, मजा आ रहा था. थोड़ा और देर. Everybody is like हाँ चल रहा है, अच्छा मजा आ रहा है. Okay.
And there was I forgot to mention Priya Gupta, the very beautiful person from In and Out. I think it wouldn't have been possible even without you, because you were the driving force behind Gal Ban Gayi. So thank you so very much.